Hi everyone, today I will guide you how to do pyramid correct way. Now, step in the left side of the mat and slowly step the right foot about 2 feet. You can adjust the wider if you feel needed. From here, you see the right foot toe 45 degrees. The left leg is straight, one line. And from here, we sink the body. Try to straighten your spine. Don't hunting your back when you bend like this. No, it's not correct way. Try to straighten the two foot straighten. Tuck in your core, lengthening your spine. How to lengthening your spine? When you try to force yourself like this, you will round hunting your back. It's not good. You try to look straight. Open your chest, then your spine auto is straight. And slowly tuck in your core, straighten. Straighten, straighten. Straighten, tuck in your core and stay here. If you feel must smile already, try your foot and your spine straight. If you must smile, just stay here. Yes. If you feel you can go deeper, go deeper. Yes. If you feel you can go more, go more. And try to straighten your spine and slowly drop your forehead down. From here, just stay for few seconds to hold the posture and try to lengthening the spine. When you look up, is the spine auto lengthening and the chest more opening. Yes. And slowly inhale. And lengthening the hand. Slowly turn the left foot in, right foot out. Same again, one more time. This left leg is 45 degrees, right foot straighten. Same thing from here, hands shoulder level. We turn to the right side and slowly we make a twist. Exhale, drop the hand. If you feel here is your maximum, already just stay here. If you can go lower, please go lower. And trying to look up and lengthening your spine and slowly forward fold. And just stay here for a few seconds. You can bend your elbow if you want. Try to lengthening your spine. Yes. And slowly from here, inhale, raise your hand up, shoulder level, and turn your right foot in. From here, if you feel can, slowly jump back or walk back. And release your hand. Thank you for watching my video, and if you want to have a more tips in yoga, please follow our channel in below, Hoa Yoga. Thank you. Cut.